Today we'll solve these two from Mars book, Unit 9, till lesson 6, Unit 9, okay? Page 29. Look at with me about question number 1. The fraction 10 over 15 is equivalent to what? We can convert here 10 over 15 by divided by 5 numerator and numerator. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. It will be equivalent to over 3. 2 over 3 here, we haven't over 3, but you can convert over 3 by product by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 3 times 2 equal 6, and the result will be 4 over 6. Choose letter E. Question number 2. 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7, we can add them. Write 7 in the numerator. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. Question number 3. The opposite model area represent what? Look at here. Here colored 1 and 1 equal 2, and third plus third equal 2 third. Then the result will be 2 and 2 third. Question number 3. You must choose here. Question number 3, we will choose letter B. 1 and third times 2. 1 and third times 2 again. Sum of area here we have 1 and 1 and third and third. You can find the area. 1 plus 1 equal 2 and third plus third equal 2 and third. And then in the result here you can write 1 and 1 over 3 times 2. It's represent product between 1 and third times 2. 2 and 2 over 3 we haven't in the solution. 2 and 2 over 3, but letter B equivalent. Why? Because we can convert this. Write 3 in the numerator. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. Look at the solution here about letter B. We have 1 and 1 over 3 product by 2. You can write 3 in the numerator. 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4 times 2. The result will be 8 over 3. It's equivalent. Then you must choose letter B. Again, I will explain this example again, okay? Pay attention. To find the area about this model, you must add 1 plus 1 plus third plus third. Area equal 1 plus 1 plus third plus third. 1 plus 1 equal 2, and third it will be 2 over 3. Then the result will be 2 and 2 third. 2 and 2 third, you can convert this number, we called it mixed number. You can convert from mixed to improper. Write 3 in the numerator, and 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then the result will be 8 over 3. And what about 1 and 1 over 3 times 2, letter B? You can find solution about 1 and third by convert from mixed number to improper. Write 3 in the numerator. 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 over 3 times 2. The result will be 2 times 4 equals 8. And the result will be 3 in the numerator. The result will be 4 times 2 equals 8. And the numerator 3. The result will be 8 over 3. Then you must choose letter B. Equivalent the result. About this example, it's very important, okay? Or you can solve this example by another method. 1 and 1. 1 and third, 1 and third. It's reverse twice. 1 and third, reverse twice times. Then the area, you can write again 1 plus third times 2, because this part was repeating. You can write 1 and third product by 2, because 1 plus third will be 1 and third. 1 and third plus 1 and third, it will be 2 times 1 and third. You can solve by any method, but last method, it's very easy. By add 1 plus third product by 2. This part, we can find the area about 1 part, 1 and third. And we have 2 parts. Then the area will be 1 and third times 2. Choose letter B. Question number 4. The simplest form of 10 over 15. You can simplify it by divided by 5. Any number can divide by 5 if the units of the number was 0 or 5. We can divide it by 5, numerator and numerator. 10 divided by 5 equal 2, and 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the result will be 2 over 3. Next question. Number 5. If 8 over 9 times b equal 8 over 9, then b equals space. We have 8 over 9 product by b equal 8 over b, then the value of b here, it will be 1. 1 multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity 1. 1 times 8 over 9, it will be 8 over 9, then the value of b equal 1. Next question, complete. Number 1. 3 and 7 over 8 plus 1 over 4 equal 4 plus space. We can add two numbers here to find the result, and the result subtract 4 from it. We can add them by write the least multiplication between them. Okay, I will write here 3 and 8 and 7. 2 times 4 equal 8, and 2 times 1 equal 2. 3 here, write 8 on the numerator, 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 over 8, it will be 1 and 8. You can write here 3 plus 1 and 1 over 8. And 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then the result will be 4 plus 1 over 8. Then you must write here 1 over 8 in the space. Question was number 1. Number 2. 60 hours equal space days. To convert from hours to days, you must divide it by 24, because 1 day equal 24 hours. Then you can write 60 over 24. You can simplify it by divided by 6 or divided by 12. The head common factor between 60 and 24 is 12. 60 divided by 12 equal 5, and 24 divided by 12, it will be 2, then the result will be 5 over 2 again. 60 divided by 12 equal 5, and 24 divided by 12 equal 2. 5 over 2, you can convert it. 5 divided by 2 equal 2, and the remainder 1, then the result will be 2 and 1 over 2, 2.5 days. Okay, it was question number 2. Question number 3. If x plus 5 and 5 over 6 equal 9 and 1 over 12, then the value of x equals space. Okay, we have here about question number 3. X plus 5 and 5 over 6 equal 9 and 1 over 12. You can find the value of x here in this example, but find the difference between the result and first factor. X here equal 9 and 1 over 12, subtract by 5 and 5 over 6. And then you can write the least common multiplication between 6 and 12, it will be 12. X equal 9 and 1 over 12, subtract by 5, and 2 times 5 equal 10, 2 times 6 equal 12. 1 minus 10, we can't do it, so you must pull 1 from left hand side. You must pull 1 from 9 here, it will be 8, and 1 equal 12 over 12 plus 1 over 12, it will be 13 over 12. Subtract by 5 and 10 over 12. 8 minus 5 equal 3, and 13 minus 10 equal 3, and then write 12 in the numerator. But 3 over 12, you can simplify this fraction by dividing by 3 numerator and denominator. You can write 3, and 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 12 divided by 3 equal 4, then the result will be 1 over 4 and 3, 3 and 1 over 4, 3 and 4s. This is the result. Okay, question here number 4. The least common multiplication of the denominators of the fraction third and 5 over 12, it will be 12, because 12 can divide by 3. We have third and 5 over 12, the least common multiplication between them equals 12. Question number 5. 5 subtract by half, subtract by third. We can find the difference between them. How we can find the difference? By writing the least common multiplication between 3 fractions, it will be 6. Write here 6 and 6 and 6. 1 times 6 equals 6, 5 times 6 equals 30. 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 2 equals 2. And then you can write 6 in the numerator. 30 minus 3 will be 27. 27 minus 2, it will be 25. Then the result will be 25 over 6. You can convert this number here from improper to mixed number because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Write 6 here, and 6 times 4 equals 24, and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 4 and 1 over 6. Okay, it was question number 5. Question here. Use the number line to find the difference between 4 and third and 1 and a half. Okay, we can solve the example by beginning here from the subtrahend. You must write here about question number 1, 4 and third, subtract by 1 and 1 over 2. Draw number line here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beginning here from what? You must start at 1 and a half. Where 1 and a half lies between 1 and 2. It's 1 and a half, okay? This number 1 and a half. Count from 1 and a half to going to 4 and third. Okay, we have third parts to going here, okay? Count with me. We have here half. Okay, and here 1, and here 1, and here third. To going to 4 and third. And then you can count half, this part half, okay? Half plus 1, plus 1, plus third. Half plus third plus 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. And third plus half, you can write the least common multiplication between them, it will be 6. And 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 plus 2, it will be 5. The result will be 5 over 6. How? Again, I will solve again. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the result will be here 2 plus half plus third. Okay, I will explain the result here again. 1 plus 1 equal 2, and half plus third, you can find the sum of half of third in the draft here. How? You can write 2, and the least common multiplication between them equals 6. 3 times 1 equals 3, 2 times 1 equals 2, then the result will be 2 and 5 over 6. The solution about this example, it will be 2 and 5 over 6 by using the number line. Again, I will explain this example again. 4 and third, subtract by half, 1 and a half. You must beginning from 1 and a half and going to 4 and third here, and count all parts of 1, 1, third, half plus 1 plus 1 plus third. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Half plus third equal 5 or 6. Then the total here it will be 2 and 5 or 6. It's the difference between two numbers. And what about second question here? We have 6 and 4 over 5, subtract by 4 and 4th. You can draw another number line, question number 2. To solve the example, we have 6 and 4 over 5, subtract by 4 and 1 over 4. Okay, you can write here number line, draw with me number line, beginning here 4 and the end 6 or 7 to add 1 to find 6 and 4 or 5. Here 6, 4, write 4, 5, 6, 7. And count from 6 and 4 over 5, okay? You can divide it where 4 and 4, okay? 4 and 4, you can divide it this part 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it 4 parts, and each of them reverse to 1 over 4, okay? Beginning from 1 over 4 here, you add here what? 1 part. Okay, it's 4 and 4. Divided this part 4 parts. You must divide this part 4 parts because we have 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts here. And coming from 4 and 4, we have how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts from 4 parts. We have here to going to 5, we have 3 over 4, and here 1, and here 1. I won't find, I won't find what? 2, 4 over 5. You must divide it, this space, to 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. you must going from 6 to 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It is the end. Again, we have here 3 over 4. 4 and 4th. Then the remainder here 3 over 4 and here 1. And they're going to 6 and 4 over 5. Then the remainder here 1, 2, 3, 4. Its part was 4 on 5. Okay, 6 and 4 over 5. And then you must add them 3 over 4 plus this part 3 over 4 and here 1 and this part was 4 over 5. You can add them, write 1 here outside plus write the least common multiplication between 4 and 5. 4 times 5 equal 20, 5 times 3 equal 15 and 4 times 4 equals 16. Write 1 and 20. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 and the carry 1, 2 plus 1 equal 3. Write 20. 31 divided by 20 equal 1. And the remainder what? 31 divided by 20 equal 1. And the remainder is the difference between them. 1 plus 1 equal 2. And 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. The result will be 2 and 11 over 20. Okay, again. Okay, I will explain this example again. Pay attention. We will draw first number line, the beginning from 4 and 4th. 4 and 4th. We must divide this place to 4 parts. 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then beginning from 4 and 4th here. And count to going to 6 and 4 over 5 here. We can divide this part from 6 to 7 to 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming here, beginning start 4 and 4th to 5, we have 3 parts from 4 parts. One part, then, we have going to 4 over 5 here. Then we have here 4 over 5 plus 1 plus 3 over 5. You can add 3 over 5 plus this part 3 over 4. You can add 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5. 4 times 5 equal 20 and 5 times 3 equal 15 and 4 times 4 equals 16 and then you can add them. It will be 31 over 20. 31 over 20 you can sample it, it will be 1 and 11 over 20 plus 1 here we have 1 plus 1 equal 2, then the result will be 2 and 11 over 20. Question letter B. Marwan eats 3/4 pieces of chocolate. His friend Wael ate 1.5 pieces more than him. How many pieces did they eat together? Okay, we can find the number here. What Wael ate? Wael ate 1.5 more than him. Then first step we can find how many parts he ate 1.5 and 3 over 4 because he tell us in the example Wael ate 1.5 pieces more than its meaning plus. Then question letter B we can write Wael eat 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5 1.5. Okay, we can add them. Write 3 over 4 plus, write the least common multiplication between 2 and 4, it will be 4. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. And then you can add them again. 3 over 4 plus 1 and 1 over 2. Write 3 over 4 here. Okay, write 3 over 4 plus 1 and 2 over 4 because the least common multiplication between them equal 4. Write 4 here. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. And then you can add them. Write 1 outside and write 4 in the numerator. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then the result will be 1 and 5 over 4. But 5 over 4 we called it what? We called it, who can tell me? We can write here 1 plus 5 over 4. We called it improper. You can convert this improper to mixed number. Write 1 plus 5 over 4. We can write 1 and 1 over 4. Because 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and the remainder 1. And the next step you can add 1 plus 1 equal 2 and we have 1 over 4 here. It's Wael eat. What is the total? They eat together what? We can write here they eat together equal first Wael eat 2 and 4 pieces and Marwan ate 3/4. We know 3/4 plus force, it will be 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Then they are eating 3 pieces. They are eating 3 pieces. Understood?